Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ramon with the Registan Connection. Today we're in Samarkand and we're going to make a tour of the Registan Square, all the 3 different madrasas. It's gonna be a hell of a journey, so guys, follow me. So to get into the Registan, you need to get tickets, and we're standing online right now. Let's see what the damage is going to be. Alright, so guys, I'm in Registan Square, which is a very famous landmark in Samarkand, and I'm at the ticket office. So to enter the Registan Square complex, it's 50,000 som each, which is about $4.50. And so, you know, for 2 of us, it cost us like $9. Alright guys, we have to go through these gates to get into Registan Square. So we're going to hello.
Hi. Thank you for
Alright. Registan Square is a real gem located in the very heart of the ancient city of Samarkand. It has gained its worldwide fame thanks to the great architectural ensemble that has become a monument of the Oriental architecture. From 3 sides, the square is surrounded with grand Madrasah, portals of which are facing the center of space. All 3 erections have their own unique decor. It is by virtue of these buildings, preserved on the territory of the city, Samarkand was included in the UNESCO World Heritage List in 2001. So what does Registan mean? In Uzbek, it means a sand place. In the ancient times, this central square was covered by sand. There is a blue dome tower of the mosque to the left of the portal, with 2 minarets standing on both sides of the frontal part. The construction beautifully balances 2 bigger madrasah without disturbing the unity of the architectural style. The name Tilakori was given thanks to its decor. Artists had used the painting method of kundal for the decoration that contained almost gilt. Among all 3 madrasas, this erection has a rich decoration of walls that leaves everyone impressed with the abundance of golden colors. Tilakori means gilded. Alright guys, so I'm in Samarkand. So I'm at the Registan Square, and there's a lot of different vendors around here, but I decided to get something to fit in like a local. So here we go. This is me, voila, and I'm standing right here on the top of this 2nd floor. This is where all the students used to study and do all their different activities, you know, during the 14th, 15th, 16th century. So guys, all around the square you'll find vendors selling all sorts of souvenirs of the periods in Uzbekistan, the traditional wear, little trinkets, some clothing, pottery, and so much more. It's really beautiful. Alright guys, we took a tour around this wonderful place in Samarkand, Registan Square, with all the 3 madrasahs over here, and it was freaking awesome. I mean, the detail in these architecture, the designs on the walls, it just blows you away. You feel like you're back in the 14th century. So if you're in Samarkand, you have to make this journey to Registan Square. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit me a thumbs up or write a comment on the section below, and I'll be glad to answer any of your questions. Until the next time, follow my videos in Uzbekistan. Cheers.